Hey girls, welcome back to the channel. Big shout out to KisslilyHair for sponsoring today's video. So today I will be doing a lace comparison. I will be comparing an HD lace to a regular lace. I often get questions on what's the difference. So in this video, I'm going to share you guys exactly how the two laces are different and what to expect with each lace and which lace that I actually recommend. So if you want more information on how to pick the perfect lace frontal wig to look super natural and have the lace blend into your skin, then keep on watching. Okay girls, so let's jump into it. So the lace frontal wig that you see to the left is the older version, and the wig to the right is the new melted HD lace. So right off the bat, I can tell that the lace is a lot softer on the new HD lace. The hairline is more pre-plucked and the knots were pre-bleached. If you look at the old lace on the left hand side, the hairline is extremely thick. The knots did not lift, so the knots are still black. There's a good amount of parting space on both of these wigs. And so I decided to style this wig with a simple middle part. Now, of course, I am going to be adding baby hairs to the wig just because it helps with the whole meltdown look, and it also helps hide the lace, but it also helps secure the lace as well. So here I'm just going to be brushing back my baby hairs and seeing exactly where I want, well, I should say I'm going to be brushing my hairline back, and then I'm going to be playing around with the hairline to see exactly where I want my baby hairs to be. Also, looking back here at my notes, the length on this wig is 20 inches and the density is 150%. I can definitely feel that heavy density on this wig, especially on the ends. Also, when it comes to the length, so now that the wig is secured, I'm going to go ahead and move on to doing my baby hairs on the wig. And by the way, I did use the Got to Be Glued spray to secure the wig down. So here I'm just taking my curling iron and curling the baby hairs on the wig going upward. And so next what I'm going to do is go in with some Got to Be Glued gel, and I'm going to use that gel to sleek down the baby hairs. Okay, so now that everything is laid and melted, I'm going to be going in with my 1-inch curling iron and give this wig some curls. And then I did go ahead and spray the hair with the Got to Be Glued spray. This just helps with keeping the curls a lot longer. So I'm going to continue doing this and I'll be back. guys, and this is pretty much the final look. I'm just going back in and recurling some sections just to get a little bit more volume. But this wig actually turned out to be a really cute wig, and I absolutely love the HD lace on this wig. It definitely made the wig so pretty. I feel like it's so important to have an HD or transparent lace on your wigs nowadays because it just makes the wig look better. So I'll make sure I have all the details below so that you guys can purchase this exact wig that you guys see in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's look, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.